Hello everyone. So myself Tarun. I'm going to cover Android application development. So this is not for the beginners. I will be covering Android material design. Android material design which is introduced with Android L and now it is most popular. I mean people are migrating their apps to Android L and M to give a material design theme. So I will be covering material design concept, design standard, design guidelines, and how you can make a better application. If you go out and try to download any application which is latest built on Android API level 21 or 22, 23, Android L or M, look and feel of that application is totally different. If you see, like I developed some of the apps, like this is the navigation drawer from which you can see the application. So look and feel for the material design is completely changed. This is not an action bar, this is a application bar, action bar now deprecated, and you see a lot of changes with Android L and M. So we are going to cover a lot of things with Android material design, like navigation drawer, like toolbar, like tab layout which you can swipe from left to right. Like this is a simple design in which what I have these tabs. I can switch these tabs from left to right, and this is the navigation drawer I have. So so if you see in the material design, there are a lot of things which is introduced with Android L and M. So what are the new features which were added from the Android history? If you see the Android history, lot of new lot of Android versions we have in the history, like KitKat. From the KitKat, this journey start from the Lollipop Android Target 21. They introduced the material design. Now we have Android Marshmallow, which is called Android M, which is API Target level 23, which is fully built with material design. If you see the apps which were built on Android M or L, they are totally different. I mean, this look and feel, you will say it's awesome. Like if I show you the sample material design concept, you will go through each and every design concept. But just wanted to show you, like this is one of the navigation drawer. I will show you the layouts. So it has a responsive UI, navigation drawer, application drawer. You can have a floating buttons on the main screen. You can put your action bar which is deprecated. You have a toolbar, you can put a toolbar from on the top or also on the bottom. You can have a navigation, right nav or left nav. So a lot of things are introduced. This is a floating button where you can fire some actions on this. So a lot of support libraries are also added so that whenever you are building your application, you can make that application compatible with the other versions also. Because if you are developing an application with Android M or Android L, like Target API Target 21 or 22, then you have to use some support library, app compat support library, so that your back compatibility is feasible or back compatibility is provided. So we will go through the different concepts of Android material design. There are a lot of features which were added in the Android material design. You can go through this link and you can see what all different components which are added. New different layouts like card layout, yeah, toolbar layout, dividers, grid list, lot of things, tab layout. These things are added. Tab layout, which was also there earlier, but now if you see the look and feel of this tab layout, this is changed. This is a toolbar. Now you can expand the toolbar to maximum height here. This is the navigation drawer. On click of that, you will see a left nav open. So you can say a fluid UI is introduced with Android L. You can go through these links. We will go through each and individual tutorial on this. So see you in the next tutorial. We will start with the demo application, how to create Android material design. Thank you everyone.